Hi guys, it's going to be a quick video here on my YouTube channel because I get a lot of questions how to remove especially rear seats in Audi Q5. We have here, I believe in 2010, 2011, I don't know, but it's for all Audi Q5s from 2009 to 2016, how to remove the rear seats. I've already removed the front seats. It's really easy. You have 4 screws here. You remove those. It's size 10, 12, 12 head, size 10. You remove those 4 screws. You have here the cover. Remove the cover and unplug these jacks, and you're good to go to remove the front seats. But the rear seats are a bit different. Special note here, those are heavy. It's a really well built, heavy construction, metal construction, especially on this side where you have like 2 seats. Get you some help to remove those after you lose all the screws and get access to like removing the seats. That's just a note before I show you how to get them out and how to disassemble the rear seats in Audi Q5. Okay, as you can see, I removed from this side the lower part, but I'm gonna showcase on this side. It's the same on this and on this side. The only change is it's a lot heavier. As I said, get you some help because it's metal construction, but you don't need to do this, but you can remove. I always remove those plastic covers from the Isofix because I collect them, put it in one place, so I know where are all the things I've disassembled from a car. Okay, first of all, what you're gonna do is pull a little bit harder upward, like this part upward, okay, as this. Okay, now we released one clip, now the other clip. Here you have 2 plastic clips. I'm going to show you them, and then you can just gently move it up and then towards the front of the car, and that's it. You removed the lower part. Those are the plastic clips. They've hold on this metal thing. They've click right here, so a little bit more stronger push towards up, and they come off those clips. So the second thing we're gonna do is remove this bolt. This bolt, as I said, on this side it's the same. You have also you have also 4 bolts as here. This one we're gonna remove, and you got one here, now one here and one here. Removing those 4 bolts is the next step. One thing it's really important to mention out, it's you have here a plastic pin. You can squeeze it together and push it down. Here you have like the connections for like from from the back axis to like pull the seats down. I'm gonna show you this after we remove the screws. This is also important to take care of, and then you're good to go to take the seats out. Okay, now we're gonna remove those 4 screws. To get a better access, remove those plastics from the Isofix. They come off really easy. Just push them down and forward and they will come off, and now you have better access to the rear screws. Remove them also. So now after we remove those 4 screws, those 2 silver or thicker one gets to the back and those 2 gets in the front. After we remove those, we're gonna take care of this plastic thing here. I'm gonna show you how to disassemble this. So in this plastic part you have like something like a door, okay. I've got myself a screwdriver or adapter for a screwdriver. Like push it this side down and up, and on this side also down and up, and you get to open the door. Get this out, unlatch this, and now it's good to be it's good to go. Like that means you removed everything, and now you can just take the seat and remove it outside of the car. And And a big part is also safety, like make sure you don't scratch anything. That's why I love to put a towel around the metal trims, because while you like removing the seat out of the car as this, so you don't scratch anything with those sharp metal edges. And you just take the seat out and that's it. The seat's removed out from the car. And that's it. The same goes for the other side. It's nothing different than on the smaller side. You have 4 screws. You have the same like plastic box to detach, and you good to go. Guys, thanks for watching. As I said, it's going to be a short video just to show you how to remove the rear seats from an Audi Q5. And if you want to see this car being completely detailed, like I'm going crazy on this car, subscribe the channel, stay tuned. A video is coming out soon where you can see what I'm going to do on this Audi Q5. You see it a little bit in this video. It's really dirty, but it's going to get a full detailing job. Guys, thank you. Leave a comment, any questions, any suggestions, maybe some ideas you want me to shoot another video, how to remove, how to disassemble something from a different car. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, love your car and keep it clean.